Oh, this little beauty has blossomed. Gosh, she's gorgeous. I need to get my camera out. But I got a little work to do. It doesn't take long for this bloody grass to show itself. Don't judge me. It's a lot of grass. I'm thinking I may need to take up this previous, what do you call it? I can't even think of the word now. It'll come back to me. But I may need to take up all the flowers and things. Aren't those pretty? Look how pretty those are. And redo it, because we laid down like a little layer to keep the grass out. And it's not as good as, like, this is new and this is old and the grass has found its way. But we're gonna get in here and try to clean this up again. We'll see how we do.